Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's so good to be back with you all. I just love talking about things that bring us together, and what's more universal than relationships? Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to everyone's heart: building strong, loving, and lasting relationships. We all want that special someone to feel loved and secure, right? Like you want to walk into a room and have your partner go, "You're back, it's a miracle. I thought you left to get the mail 3 days ago. Just me?" Okay, well, you still want them to feel special. That's why we're talking about 9 ways to show commitment and really make that love blossom. So, grab your partner, grab your pet, grab a snack. No judgment here. And let's get started. Chapter 1. Time for 2. First up, we're talking about quality time. And no, I don't mean scrolling through your phones while sitting on opposite ends of the couch. I'm talking real, honest-to-goodness, look into each other's eyes kind of time. It doesn't have to be fancy, people. You don't need a gondola and a singing gondolier, unless you're into that sort of thing. Think about it. Remember those early days of dating? All you wanted to do was spend time together, right? Well, guess what? It's still important. Life gets busy, I get it. You've got work, errands, that weird stain on your carpet you've been meaning to clean. But making time for your partner is crucial. Set aside a specific night each week for a date night. And I'm not talking about just ordering takeout and watching reruns of your favorite game show. Although, hey, no judgment. Get out of the house, try a new restaurant, go for a hike, take a dance class together. Something that gets you laughing and connecting. And for those nights when you're both exhausted, that's okay. Cozy up on the couch, light some candles, and just talk. Remember, the goal is to focus on each other, to reconnect, and to remember why you fell in love in the first place. It's like a little mini vacation from the craziness of life. Trust me, your relationship will thank you. And who knows, you might even have some fun in the process. Chapter 2. Open your heart and your ears. All right, next up is communication. I know, you've heard it a million times. Communication is key, blah, blah, blah. But you know why you've heard it so many times? Because it's true. You can't expect your partner to read your mind. Although, wouldn't that be amazing? Honey, I'm thinking about pizza again. Boom, pizza arrives. But seriously, you've got to talk to each other. And I don't mean just about whose turn it is to take out the trash. Talk about your feelings, your dreams, your fears. That weird dream you had last night where you were being chased by a giant talking hamster. Share your inner world with each other. And just as important as talking is listening. Really listening. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and truly hear what your partner is saying. Don't interrupt. Don't judge. Just listen with an open heart and an open mind. It's like that old saying, you have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so you should listen twice as much as you speak. Wise words, people. Remember, communication is a 2-way street. It's about expressing yourself clearly and understanding your partner's point of view. Chapter 3. Appreciation is key. Sometimes we forget to say thank you for the little things. We get so caught up in our own lives that we forget to acknowledge all the wonderful things our partners do for us. But trust me, a little appreciation goes a long way. So, how do you show appreciation? It's simple. Tell your partner how much you appreciate them. And I don't mean a casual thanks as you're grabbing the remote. Look them in the eye and tell them how much you appreciate their love, their support, their sense of humor, their uncanny ability to always pick the best restaurant. Whatever it is that you adore about them, let them know. And it's not just about words. Small gestures of appreciation can speak volumes. Surprise them with their favorite coffee in the morning, leave a sweet note on the mirror, or give them a big hug and kiss for no reason at all. Trust me, it will make their day. Remember, everyone wants to feel valued and appreciated. By making an effort to show your appreciation, you're strengthening your bond and creating a more loving and positive atmosphere in your relationship. Chapter 4. Be your partner's biggest cheerleader. We all need someone in our corner, someone who believes in us even when we doubt ourselves. Be that person for your partner. Be their biggest cheerleader, their loudest supporter, their personal hype man. Did they just nail that presentation at work? Break out the confetti cannon? Are they feeling down about not getting that promotion? Remind them how amazing they are and how proud you are of their hard work. Supporting your partner's goals and dreams is crucial. It shows them that you believe in them, that you're invested in their happiness, and that you're in their corner no matter what. It's about being there for the good times and the bad, through thick and thin, through victory and defeat, through tears of joy and, well, you get the picture. And remember, support comes in many forms. It's about being a good listener, offering words of encouragement, and celebrating their successes, big or small. So, go ahead. Be that annoyingly enthusiastic fan in the stands of life, cheering your partner on every step of the way. Chapter 5. Keep your promises, keep the love alive. Okay, this one's important. Keep your promises. Seems simple enough, right? But you'd be surprised how often this one trips people up. We've all been there. You promise your partner you'll clean the bathroom, but then that new episode of your favorite show comes on, and suddenly, the bathroom cleaning seems a lot less appealing. But here's the thing. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. And when you break a promise, even a small one, it chips away at that foundation. It sends the message that your partner can't rely on you, that your word doesn't mean much. And that's not a good look, people. Now, I'm not saying you have to be perfect. We all make mistakes. We all forget things occasionally. The important thing is to communicate. If you know you're not going to be able to keep a promise, don't wait until the last minute to tell your partner. Be upfront and honest and work together to find a solution. Remember, keeping your promises isn't about being perfect. It's about showing your partner that they are a priority, that you respect them, and that you value their trust. And that's a beautiful thing. Chapter 6. The Language of Love. All right, let's talk about affection. And no, I'm not just talking about PDA, although a little hand-holding never hurt anyone. I'm talking about all the ways we show our love and affection for our partners, big and small. Physical touch is a powerful thing. A warm hug, a gentle kiss, holding hands while you're walking down the street. These small gestures can go a long way in strengthening your bond and making your partner feel loved and appreciated. And don't underestimate the power of a good cuddle. There's something so comforting and reassuring about being held in your partner's arms. It's like a warm blanket on a cold winter's night, a safe haven from the storms of life. But affection isn't just about physical touch. It's about showing your partner you care in all the little ways. Make them a cup of coffee in the morning, leave a sweet note on the pillow, surprise them with their favorite takeout after a long day. It's the little things that count, people. Chapter 7. Fight fair, love strong. Let's face it. Disagreements are a part of life. Even the happiest couples argue sometimes. The key is to learn how to argue constructively without resorting to hurtful words or actions. Remember, you're on the same team. You're not debating a lawyer on a daytime talk show. So, how do you fight fair? First of all, avoid those low blows. You know what I'm talking about. Bringing up past arguments, attacking your partner's character, or using hurtful language. Those tactics might work on reality TV, but in real life they only lead to resentment and hurt feelings. Instead, focus on communicating your feelings clearly and respectfully. Use I statements instead of you statements. For example, instead of saying you're always late, try saying I feel frustrated when you're late because it makes me feel like our plans aren't important. See the difference? And remember, it's okay to agree to disagree. Not every argument has to end with a winner and a loser. Sometimes, the most important thing is to simply understand each other's perspectives and find a compromise that works for both of you. Chapter 8. Teamwork makes the dream work. Relationships are a partnership, and like any good partnership, it requires teamwork. I'm talking about sharing those everyday responsibilities, like laundry, dishes, taking out the trash, all the glamorous things that come with sharing your life with another human being. Now, I'm not saying you have to divide everything perfectly down the middle, but it's important to find a balance that works for both of you, where both partners feel supported and appreciated. Talk to each other about your strengths and weaknesses, and figure out a system that plays to those strengths. And don't forget about finances. Money can be a major source of stress in relationships, so it's important to be on the same page. Have regular money talks, create a budget together, and make sure you're both aware of your financial situation. Remember, you're in this together. Chapter 9, Building Your Future Together. Finally, let's talk about the future. No, I don't have a crystal ball hidden under my desk, but I can tell you this. Talking about your future together is a powerful way to strengthen your bond and show your commitment to the relationship. It's not about putting pressure on each other to hit certain milestones by a certain age. It's about sharing your hopes, your dreams, your fears, and figuring out how you can support each other in achieving those goals. Do you dream of traveling the world, starting a family, opening a bakery dedicated entirely to dog treats? Share those dreams with your partner. And remember, life is full of surprises. Your plans might change, your goals might evolve, and that's okay. The important thing is that you're facing the future together, as a team, ready to navigate whatever life throws your way. Well, there you have it, folks. 9 ways to show commitment and make your partner feel loved and secure. Remember, relationships take work, but the rewards are so worth it. When you find that special someone who makes you laugh until your sides hurt and who supports you through thick and thin, hold on tight and never let go. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to share your own tips for building strong and loving relationships in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. See you in the next video.